Hi everyone, it's Super Gaming Bros Egg Paul, and I'm going to show you how to become invisible in Granny. It's actually very easy because there's a long way and there's a short way, but the short way doesn't always guarantee that you will be invisible. But the long one, I guarantee you'll always become invisible every time you try it. But it will be kind of just a little long. You have to get the hammer. You have to go inside the jail cell thing, and you just you have to glitch out and you're invisible. But this one, you just need yourself and the vase. Whoa, they made an update. Well, something I could recognize is different is the floor. Floor looks very different. It caught my eyes. I suck. Alright. I hope they didn't patch this glitch, or else I'm doing this video for nothing. It just takes a few tries. Like that, guys. Granny is stuck and you are now invisible. Well, basically. So now you can do whatever you want. You can run around, break your stuff, and teaser. I'm gonna teaser real quick, guys. So you guys could exit the video now if you want, but I'm just gonna teaser. I'm gonna tease you because you are a piece of poop, Granny. You are a piece of poop. Get out of the way. I actually had to delete the screen recorder and then download it back because it wasn't working. Let's get Teddy. Your favorite Teddy when you were back in your day. Could you guys hear that heartbeat? The heartbeat, that thing is wow. Like wow. Hey Granny, you want this? You want this, you fat son of a flippin' quack? You want this? Well, you're not gonna get it because you've been a bad girl. So I'm gonna hide it away from you since you've been a very naughty girl. You locked me in here, so you're not getting Teddy. You have to face up to your consequences, Granny. Okay, never mind. Hope you guys liked the video. I hope this glitch does work for you. If you're too much of a scaredy cat, which I am, because I am a scaredy cat to try to beat the game. But I hope this helped you to just run around and troll her. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm so dead.